Welcome in Bebex. In this video we're gonna see what is number system, how many types of number system and their definition. Okay, what is number system? Number system is nothing but to represent information or message in numerical form. This is called number system. There are general type of number system is binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, binary number system. What is binary number system? In binary number system we have two digits 0 and 1. Computer represents all kind of data information in binary number, include audio, graphics, video, text and numbers. The base of binary number system is 2 because it have 0 and 1 and this is 2. That's why the base of binary number system is 2. These are the example 1, example 2 and so many. What is decimal number system? The decimal number system is nothing but we also use in general life. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9 is called decimal number system. We already know about. And third one is octal number system. Octal number system is nothing but this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. This is called octal number system and their base is 8. Okay, and these are the examples of octal number system. Okay, now fourth one is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system is 16 digit which are represent 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 up to A, B, C, include A, B, C, D, E, F, up to F tak. Okay, the base of hexadecimal number system is 16 because hexa it means 16.